This is so exciting. I finally have tomatoes ready to pick. Take a look. 4 different kinds. These are my Campari tomatoes. They're a Canadian tomato that I bought from the grocery store. I sliced it open and planted some of the seeds in the ground, and I got the same tomatoes back. And there's a few of them already turning red. Now, this is my 2 times beefsteak. So it's a beefsteak tomato. Come on, get off there. Look at that, my very first one. That's about a good pound. And then these are my regular beefsteak tomatoes. Let's grab one of those off. I'm going to let it ripen a little bit more in the house. So see the difference in size, planted at the same time. So there's 3, and my San Marzano tomatoes. Do I have a red one here? Yeah. Look at that. 4 different kinds of tomatoes all coming ripe at the same time. I see sandwiches coming on.
Take a bite of the Marzano.
Just need a little sauce. Thanks for watching me eat, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.